Madison, come here. Madison! Come on, this way. This way. Come on. What? You can't go this way. Go this way, look. Come on.
Get back here, Sneaky! What are you doing? Get over here! I'm gonna get you! Here I come! Here I come! I'm gonna get you! Go get Mommy. Get Mommy.
Maddie!
Where are you going?
Bye, Madison. I'm leaving.
Bye-bye.
I'm going home. Bye. Bye.
Come on. Going. Come on.
Here's Michael's car over here. All pimped out with his 22-inch rims. Oh, Michael's landscaping that he did today. Most of it was done today. Still have to finish it. He slaved for hours and hours with his landscaping before we went to Point Pleasant. And there's our house. On a nice cul-de-sac that we live on. And Madison talking a mile a minute. Madison, come here.
You got a beer belly. Go work on the nails. You'll never get a date like that.
Let's see Mike's tattoos now. Okay, there's a few tattoos over here. A couple over here. There's one on his back. I think some on his leg. I don't know how many he has. Say hi. Madison, where are you going to? You gotta come back. You gotta come back here.
Took it with the video camera. And you could have put it on the tape. Get that in the woods! It would be funny if we could just have a hidden camera where we knew she wouldn't get hurt, just to watch her and see what she does by herself.